Came outside to review this beauty and noticed that great customers right here just purchased our Apex Edition Wrangler. What a beauty that one is right there. Justin Eccles sold that one. And now, let me know what your thoughts are. Do you know? Look at it leaving, y'all. Look at it leaving. That Jeep's so clean right there. Black on black. Tell me what vehicle I'm inside right now. It's a Race Red Beauty. Let's go. And it is just a short drive from my office out here to our parking lot. You're going to love checking out this cool Ranger. That's right. Race Red Akins Ford F-150. This is a 2021 Ranger XLT with the new black appearance package. Tell me what you think about this. I mean, I'm rocking Georgia colors today. I rock Georgia almost every day, y'all. It's some form or fashion, but this is perfect for a national championship vehicle like we have here, because everything that's red is just national champion, because, you know, we are the champs. Yeah! I love the painted bumpers up front and rear, and on the black appearance package, this portion here is usually gray. It is now gloss black, which looks great. Ford's listening to us, y'all. The emblems up front too is black with that copperish where the chrome usually is. It kind of just dumps down the chrome. It still makes the Ford stand out and be bold and apparent. And the Race Red to me is not for everyone, but it's definitely for real deal, y'all. And on our Covert edition, we are 3-inch lifted or SST leveled, I may say, on 33. So the black wheel and the black appearance package we kept as well. It is 18-inch in size, and we comboed that with a 275 7018 BFG KO2. We want to do a tried and true tire that we knew was going to be good overall ride quality and experience, but also that rugged look overall, and not too aggressive as far as our mile to wild scale. So we're 275 on our width, and so we're tucked in our mile to wild scale. We're definitely in that mild range, but a very fitting overall appearance in that it's got a good height and increased tire size to give you that rugged look that we so desire out of the Ranger, because the Ranger's, you know, is still not quite what we want it to be here at Willies, but doing things like a level kit, change the tires, bed cover, bed liner, window tint, floor liners, gives you a good foundational way to improve a vehicle that we just think needs a little bit more action, a little bit more love from us. You got blind spot monitor, and again, the painted bumpers out back, and then that emblem combo with a backup camera right below it. We have a undercover flex trifold bed cover along with the Ford bed liner. I like the nice Ranger seal plate there, the new style WeatherTech floor liners, and the inside of the Ranger really looks like the Explorer / Edge to me. It has it just got that feel to it. So it doesn't have the most truck inspired interior. I do like the shifter in the console there, but nonetheless, the 10-speed transmission and the 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine is adequate. It's not going to wow you, but it's going to give you just a great experience as far as ample power and smoothness out of the transmission. Pause here to see the information, y'all, as far as the window sticker, and come on over to our upfit on our Covert edition package. We're at $46,369 before discount, and again, the black appearance package with the body color bumpers, black wheels, and aesthetically pleasing Race Red is all real deal, y'all. This one's now available here at Akins. Today is the 22nd of February 2022, and as I mentioned, you know, our inventory is not where it needs to be or used to be, but we're doing the best we can to try to bring you guys and gals just great products and great service as always here at Akins. Willies and the dealership, sun setting on a great day. It's been, you know, in the upper 60s most of the day today, so a very enjoyable day, and we have many more builds coming to you soon. We've done more stuff in the past when it comes to Rangers as far as changing the wheels and tires, doing a little bit more aggressive lift combinations. So let me know what you think about just doing a clean and simple Covert build like in this video today, and do you want to see more where we go a little bit more extravagant with our wheel and tire combo and options on that. So the Ranger is been a much needed vehicle for us, and the Maverick is something that we also want to dive into. Actually has more interior space than the Ranger, so look for more stuff from me if you so choose to. Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna stick to the Super Duty and F-150 and Raptor a lot right now, but I want to bring you more Ranger content and Maverick content. So let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. I'll definitely keep that in mind. I'm your boy, Real Deal. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Peace.